This is an emergency repair to repair the satellite cable for your satellite. The first thing we're going to do is to remove the outer insulation, as you can see, and you can then see that the braid, which is the outer metal, I'm going to trim that off and put it back. When I've done that, I will then take out the screen and then remove the inner insulation. Do that on both of them. And this will then reveal the copper core. When you've done that, you can then put the F plugs on, twist them on, twist them right on until the insulation appears at the bottom, and then trim. Put them on both of them, and as soon as you've done that, the job should be done. Now, as I said, this is an emergency repair, and so you should repair them properly when you have the time. Thank you for listening and watching, and if you can, please share, like and subscribe.